Hey everyone, if Miro is not loading in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you several easy solutions to get Miro working again. First, Miro may fail to load because of browser issues, corrupted cache files, slow internet, or conflicting extensions. Start by refreshing the page. Temporary loading errors are often fixed with a simple reload. Make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. Clear your browser cache and cookies to remove corrupted temporary files. Some extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, can prevent Miro from loading correctly. Using an outdated browser can cause compatibility issues. Make sure you're running the latest version. Open Miro in a private or incognito window to see if the problem is caused by extensions or cached data. If Miro still isn't loading, try using another browser or a different device. Sometimes the issue may be on Miro's side. Wait a few minutes and try again later. For the best experience, keep your browser updated and avoid running too many extensions. A common mistake is repeatedly refreshing the page without checking whether the internet connection or browser is causing the problem. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Miro not loading in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.